We're here today for a virtual trade show to show you all the great uses of the PiViT. The PiViT, let's first off talk about the construction of it. It's made of polypropylene plastic. This thing is very sturdy, very tough. It is surrounded by a conveyor belt type material that goes around the edges that helps it grip to many different surfaces, whether it be on stairs, hardwood, tile, or carpet, works on uneven ground, also works on asphalt shingled roofs. I'm going to show you a couple demonstrations starting with the asphalt shingled roof. You see we have a makeshift roof here. I'm going to show you this has no clamps or no bolts. Make sure to just place this onto the roof. Any roof up to a 7/12 pitch. Now I'm not a small guy, 6'3", 270 pounds. If it'll hold me, it'll hold most people. Go up here and show you how sturdy this is. No slipping at all. I'm showing this how it works with the application of the ladder. As far as leveling any surface, take the ladder, place it on. One of the other favorite uses of the PiViT LadderTool is when used as a ladder jack. You just simply clip this on the rung of the ladder. You can set up a walkboard. You can use this at foyers, one of those hard to reach spots. Also, if you can envision this with two ladder setups, you can set this up for quick scaffolding as opposed to setting up a whole scaffold. Another great use is when used as a standoff. Just simply clip it on the exact same way, and now you have a standoff for those hard to reach areas and painting. So really getting three tools in one. You're getting a ladder leveler, a ladder jack, and a standoff.